Hi, my name is John, and today I'm going to be discussing with everybody um, for the raid bots the 1 and 2 star issue. I had it in my earlier video, but I guess a lot of people miss it, so I'm going to go ahead and run through it one more time just so that way people don't miss it this time. Alright, so I'm going to go to the raid calculator and I'm just going to get a 1 or 2 star seed. Now, if you're using Rate Calculator, in order to get 1 or 2 star seeds, you can't have it right here as none. If you have it as none, it's not going to work. Uh, Actually, I'm going to try it just to be on the safe side. But yeah, so we'll try to put it at none. We'll try to put it at 1 star. And we're going to see what it does. That's a lot of seeds. All right, so when we're gonna try to see if it works. Like putting it on none. A lot of people have asked me this, so I'm gonna try it anyway. But the fix for 1 and 2 star raids is pretty simple. You basically copy the seed. And a lot of people are putting, like for a 1 star raid, they'll put one, and then they'll put one, and that's a no-no. You don't do that. So the seed should be it should be RV. RV is like basically to get a display of the embed before you go through with it. RA puts it in there because you already know that it's correct, and that's exactly what it's going to be. So I wouldn't suggest using RA under any circumstances because anytime that I change the game from Scarlet and Violet, there are some seeds that are different, and I do that every so often. So once you have your RV, you have your seed, you're going to put 3 and you're going to put 3. Again, I didn't put it on the story progress or anything. I just did it like that to see what it would do. Huh? Yeah, these are called, I guess, baby seeds, but I guess it does work. Okay, so the answer is anytime you're doing a 1 or 2 star raid, you need to make sure you have 3 and 3 at the end. So basically, it's going to be like this: RV, you're going to have your seed. And again, if it's 1 or 2 star raids, you need to make sure you put 3 and 3. Even if it's not 3, if it's 1 or 2 star, it doesn't matter. Still put the 3 and the 3 at the end. Is something with Raycrawler? I don't know. That's just how the bot is programmed. So unfortunately, this is the fix for it. I had went to the developer not too long ago asking why it wasn't working because people were putting, since this is a 1 star, they were putting one and then they were putting one, and this is the message they're getting. It says invalid story progress level where you're getting your seeds. So that was kind of a problem. I didn't know why I was getting that, and I was getting that from a lot of members. So the fix for that is basically you're gonna put RV, you're gonna put paste, paste your seed, of course. You're gonna put 3, and you're gonna put 3. And as you can see, as soon as I press enter, it displays exactly. This is the Pokemon name. I can't pronounce the name. So it's a 1 star. Says it's a rock. This is right here the name, and this is a rock. And it also should display. Yeah, see, 15, 6, 1, 3, 15, 6, 131. Yeah, so all of that is right. So I guess it does work that way. You can do it that way, but Let's go back here again. And we'll put story progress at 3. Put a 1 star. And see, that's actually the same seed, so it doesn't matter. But yeah, I would just recommend doing story progress 3 star unlocked. And make sure you yeah, have it set at 1 or 2. So since we're testing, I'm gonna do a 2 star this time. Wow, even more seeds. We'll do Driflin. We'll copy the seed. And so you'll put the seed right there. You can use the command. It can be dot, $, or percent. Doesn't matter. Put RV. Put the seed. Put 3 and then 3. And oh, I am on the wrong version. Current. That's another thing, guys. Whenever you are using my bot for this, please note that mine only works on. You need to match the seeds to the game version that I'm playing. It doesn't matter if you're playing Scarlet or Violet. Doesn't matter what you're playing. What you're playing is irrelevant. It needs to go whatever I'm playing. Since I'm playing Violet, I need to get Violet seeds. And so that's why the incorrect Pokemon came up. I get this quite a bit. So we're going to change it to Violet, and then we're going to go and find seeds again. Put RV, paste the seed, and put 3 and 3. And yes, this is a 2-star raid with 3 story progress unlocked. And we're going to press enter. And that's exactly what we requested. And all you do is you hit the reaction and hit it once, and it'll add you to the queue. But if you do RA, it's automatically it's gonna skip all that and just add you straight to the queue. So that's why I always tell you to make sure you check the bot version that I'm playing. So since I am playing Violet, when you're searching, you need to get seeds for Violet because I am currently playing Violet. I switch them up every few days. So sometimes you'll see Violet, sometimes you'll see Scarlet. Just come right here to this message. And again, whenever I update it, I automatically will edit this message or put a new message. So just make sure you keep an eye on this. We're going to do a couple more testing because a lot of people were also wondering on the if it is a 3-star. If it's a 3-star, you're still going to do the same thing, 3 and 3. If it's a 4-star, okay, RV. And since it's a 4-star and the story progress is 4, we're going to put 4 and 4. And that's exactly what it's supposed to be. It says it's It says it's, yeah, steel right here. So we'll check this. And it says, yeah, right there, steel. See? And it should be 12, 31, 31, 12, 31, 31. So see, all of that is matching. That's what it's supposed to be. And it's shiny. It says it right there. So keep in mind that this, it just depends. But always make sure that you check the RaidBot version. So again, in English terms, all you need to do is put .rv your seed, and if this is a 1 or 2 star raid, you're going to put 3 and 3. So 1, 2, or 3 star raids, uh, or if you're doing the story progress like this. Now, if you want story progress 6 and you put 3, this is how you would do it. You're going to basically copy it. And see, this is a 6 star. So you're going to put 3 and then you're going to put 6. And we'll check it, and boom, that's exactly what it's supposed to be. So the first number is going to represent, so when you do this right here, got your seed, right? Okay, your first number is going to represent your difficulty. So the difficulty is a 3 star shiny Hatrim. So that's what the first number is for. The second number, or the last number, should I say, is your story progress level. So if the seed has a story progress level of 6, you're going to put the 6. If you wanted to do it at story progress level 4, so you're going to put 3 for your difficulty. The difficulty is 3. And your story progress is at 4, what we put. And this is what it should be. See, it's exactly that right there. And it says it's bug. And we'll go over here and check. And as you can see, it's bug. So it's exactly what it's supposed to be. So that is basically how you do it. I hope everybody has enjoyed this helpful, fix. But yeah, for 1 and 2 star raids, at the last two numbers should be 3 and 3 for 1 and 2 star raids, no matter what they are. 1 and 2 star raids only work with the 3 and the 3. It will not work any other way. If you try to put 1 and then 1, it's not going to work. It's going to give you an invalid message. And that's just the way the bots are built. And again, if you guys are using my Discord, my raid bots, make sure to check raid bot version. As long as you check raid bot version, you need to match the seeds whatever I'm playing. Now it doesn't matter what you're playing, but whatever I'm playing is what you need to search for. So since I'm using Violet, you're going to search for seeds using Violet. So if you get a seed from somebody, make sure you ask them what version that it's for, Scarlet or Violet. Because if I'm using Scarlet and you get Violet seeds and they're specific to Violet only, it's going to come up with a different Pokemon. So make sure you keep that in mind. I will put the link to our Discord in the description, and I hope everybody has enjoyed this tutorial.